I'm Jocelyn. I'm the owner and founder of Boo Boo's Best, and this here is the inspiration for the whole company, my Boo Boo, who had a lot of digestive issues and allergies when he was younger, which caused me to go down quite a rabbit hole learning about a lot of the different ingredients that go into dog and cat food and treats, and realizing that a lot of them are really substandard and some of them are actually dangerous. So when we switched him to a diet that was full of whole, wholesome, natural foods, it saved his life. And that so inspired me that I started Boo Boo's Best because I wanted to share that with as many pet parents as I possibly could.